St. Mary's is the first college to be approved by the AICTE for foreign student admissions. Currently, there are about 300 foreign students enrolled in various professional courses.
St. Mary's College is the first college in India approved by All India Council for Technical Education for admitting foreign national students. We have 500 foreign national students belonging to many countries: Sudan, Eritrea, South Africa, Dubai, Sri Lanka.
St. Mary's provides world-class practical exposure and has spacious and well-equipped laboratories with the state-of-the-art equipment for technology. Students enjoy the practical sessions in different labs for physics, chemistry, pharmacy, electronics, electrical, mechanic, etc. St. Mary's English Language Lab is advocated and made mandatory for students to gain fluency in communicating as per global standards. English computer labs are provided to all students for their benefit.
I have never seen this type of facilities in any of the college. I had visited so many colleges, but this equipped lab facilities and our faculty I have never seen anywhere. It's very good, it's very awesome.
In technical laboratories, we have cathode ray oscilloscopes, and we have generators, resistors, capacitors, which we have required for many equipments, and we have motors, which are very specialized and which helps a lot during lab sections.
The campus library is fully digitalized to cater to the needs of thousands of students, 1500 plus faculty and about 150 research scholars. Established in 17,500 square feet area, it hosts 69,000 volumes with more than 100 international and national journals. The Digital Library of St. Mary's is the largest digital library in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Students can access thousands of books, magazines, journals, articles, case studies, research publications online and offline in this digital library. The campus is fully Wi-Fi enabled so that the student can access online resources and communicate with the world.
Wi-Fi enabled college technology what we are using in every lab, with an high developed features in lab like LED monitors, well seated arrangements are done, and let us talk about the placements what we are using in our LCD monitors are using in placement sections, training sections with help of a projectors.
For convenience of the students, the management provides transportation facilities from its campus to various destinations in and around the city. A fleet is fit, modern and highly comfortable. Permitted by the Government of Andhra Pradesh and affiliated to JNT University, Hyderabad. St. Mary's Technological University, the first Christian technological university in India, proposed for launch in the year 2012-13 under the approval with the UGC. The colleges are located at near Ramoji Film City behind Mount Opera, Deshmukhi Village, Pochampalli Mandal, Nalgonda District, and Batasingaram village, Hayatnagar Mandal, Rangareddy district, Greater Hyderabad, 508284 under HMDA limits. St. Xavier's PG College offers a course in MBA. Approved by AICTE, permitted by the Government of Andhra Pradesh and affiliated to Osmania University, Hyderabad, St. Mary's College of Education, which offers a course in B.Ed, is approved by NCTE, permitted by the Government of AP and affiliated to Mahatma Gandhi University, Hyderabad. The college is located at HMT Township, Kutubullapur Mandal, Jidimetla, Hyderabad. St. Mary's Technical Campus, Kolkata offers a course in MTech, BTech, MBA and MCA. The institute is approved by AICTE, permitted by the Government of West Bengal and affiliated to the West Bengal University of Technology. Located at Saibona village, opposite West Bengal State University, Ichapur, Nilgunge Gram Panchayat, Barsat, Kolkata, West Bengal 700126. St. Mary's Group of Institutions, Guntur has St. Mary's Engineering College, which offers courses in MTech, BTech, MBA, MCA and Polytechnic. St. Mary's PG Center offers courses in MCA and MBA. St. Mary's College of Pharmacy offers a course in B Pharmacy and M Pharmacy. Approved by AICTE and permitted by the Government of AP and affiliated to JNT University, Kakinada. The institute is located on Guntur-Bapatla Highway, Chebrol Village, Chebrol Mandal, Guntur District 522212. St. Mary's Women's Engineering College offers a course in BTech and MBA. The institute is approved by AICTE, permitted by the Government of Andhra Pradesh and affiliated to JNT University, Kakinada. Located at Budampadu Village, Guntur Rural Mandal, Guntur District 522212. In Prakasam District, St. Mary's Group of Institutions have St. Mary's MBA College, which offers a course in MBA. St. Mary's MCA College offers a course in MCA and MBA. The institute is approved by AICTE, permitted by the Government of AP and affiliated to Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur. St. Mary's B.Ed College, which offers a course in B.Ed, is approved by NCTE, permitted by the Government of AP and affiliated to Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur. Both the colleges are located at Poddili Village, Poddili Mandal, Prakasam District 523240. This is a brief glimpse into the world of St. Mary's Group of Institutions and how future is built. St. Mary's is all about fulfilling the promises and enabling our children to flourish in the field of their interest. Grab the opportunity. Opt for St. Mary's Group of Institutions as your first choice and avail the benefits of excellent facilities. The family awaits you.